This is our campsite for the night, and we are gonna hit the sack. It's 9:30 right now, and it looks like it's to be an hour and a half before we get started. But we're gonna start settling in. Come on, dude, in the van. Come on. Yep, so we're gonna get all settled in the van. Yeah, it feels like it's only 7, 8 o'clock, but it's actually 9:30 right now. So we're gonna be getting to bed. Plus, I'm running out of memory right now. I got 13 minutes to finish up today and tomorrow. So, and I can regroup and put more memory on my cards.